Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1705 of What You Up To Now, documenting primarily the business journey as I've transitioned from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business and back and forth again over the last, it's been 5 years now. So today for our BU 365 day challenge, we talked about enthusiasm and energy in our communication. We're focusing on communication for this month as part of the annual challenge. And we talked about enthusiasm. How do we add, and I shared 10 different ways that we can add enthusiasm to our communications. How do we add energy and enthusiasm? How do we get people excited about what we're excited about? First, we have to be excited about something and enthusiastic about it in order to communicate and add that to our communications. So we talked about that. And I had this crazy yellow-eyed fire wings filter going on, which was pretty fun. Did find out today that I only have 2 more days left with Facebook's old way of, the classic way of handling pages. I record on my Sharon Horne-Ellstrom page, and that's going to switch to the new format, which means no editing, just what you see is what you get for the most part when it comes to my videos. And I haven't decided yet or not if I'm just going to wing it and keep going with that, or if I'm going to switch to a different platform like StreamYard or something to record my videos on. But then I still have to record them and then transfer them to Facebook. So it adds a whole nother step that I'm not sure is worth the ability to edit or not. You can let me know, because my videos are virtually unedited now. What you see is what you get. I do the video, I post it. I do the video, I post it, because that works for me personally. A lot of people have the ability to have big teams of people, or the desire to have big teams of people that edit their videos and put out little snippets and things. And maybe someday I'll do that. But right now, that's not my intent or purpose with video creation and content creation. So according to, and you might be able to tell in my voice, I'm not enthusiastic or excited about the change to the new pages. It's limited and made, like whenever there's a change on a platform that we use, it means I've had to figure out new ways of doing things. And in some ways it's faster. If I can't edit anything, if I don't have the ability or the capability to edit my videos, it just means I process them and I put them out into the world. And so it cut out a lot of not a lot, it cut out a little bit of editing and the ability to add more information to the video so that people can find me, which I don't like that. I'll have to figure out another way to do that. And I'll probably make a consistent copy and paste comment or something, which is sort of what I've been doing already. But I'll have to find a different way of adding that before I share the video. Otherwise, I found in the new page format, I can't find my videos. They get, if I don't process it immediately upon recording and share it, it gets lost in the stream, and it's almost impossible to find if I don't save the link somewhere. So it'll mean in the next couple of days you'll see changes. Shouldn't impact you at all, but it might impact what I look like. So enthusiasm, according to this little card in this deck of cards, again, the white on light yellow, really difficult to read. I was surprised I could see enthusiasm. Thank goodness for tools. But anyway, the back says, eagerly express and demonstrate your interest. So how do you eagerly express and demonstrate your interest in anything, but especially in your communication? So then our idiom, our communication related idiom, to coincide with that, doesn't really necessarily correspond exactly, but I shared the idiom to go viral. And go viral, I think we know what that means. It means to become very popular very quickly. And it can be in a positive way or a negative way. Think COVID-19. COVID-19 is a virus, and it spread very, very quickly and continues to impact all of our lives. So we have to decide with respect to our businesses, do we want our content to actually go viral and spread to the masses, or do we want it to just go viral amongst the people that we're here to serve, the people we want to interact with, the people we want to form relationships and have as our customers, and the people that we provide solutions and products and services for? It's up to us to decide. The idiom's actually been around since the 1980s, and it was invented by marketing managers. Imagine that. Marketing managers making something up. How could that be? It's kind of like the media making something up. How could that be? Well, marketing managers decided that their new strategy was going to be to rely on customers to relay the information and spread the word about new products and services as they were launching it. And it plays on and builds on word of mouth advertising, word of mouth communication, what human beings do anyway, but they decided they would start to do it on purpose and put out information or things that really get people's attention. So maybe it's contests. We can do it in a lot of ways, and I shared that in Supersize Your Business. What are some ways we can take our content and add some more viral elements to it? We can make it fun, we can make it exciting, we can make it controversial, we can make it tied to current events, we can connect it with influencers and other people that are already reaching our audience, things like that. So those are our 2 pieces of content today. I am working on a huge home project, moving and changing around things in my environment and in my world, and helping my sister's move, as well as we just got done helping my mom move. So it's kind of like everybody in the family's in motion and turmoil and moving things around and downsizing, paring down, and giving things away. So I've got the next couple of weeks I'll be tied up doing a lot of that, as well as my regular things. So if you need help, if you've got any questions, if I can help you in any way, ask. Again, I will continue to say Voxer is my favorite way to communicate, but you can always direct message me. Otherwise, go out, have an awesome day, and I will be with you tomorrow. Bye.